Hi, this is Notaris. Notaris is a compliance passport for tokenized real-world assets, built for the Cleanverse Trusted Assets Hackathon on Monad. The core idea is simple. Every tokenized asset should carry its own live compliance identity, not just static metadata, but a passport that knows who issued it, who can hold it, whether it can be transferred, whether it can be financed, and what Cleanverse verification supports those decisions. Most RWA systems check compliance once during onboarding. Notaris makes compliance portable and continuous. Here first, I connect my wallet. This workspace has three main flows. The first is Cleanverse verification. I can enter a wallet address and select its role, such as issuer, holder, or recipient. Notaris calls the Cleanverse API and checks whether the wallet has an active APAS and whether it's eligible for configured Cleanverse A token. Here is a verified wallet. When I run verification, Notaris returns the Cleanverse proof data, including active pass status, eligibility, expiration, and the derived compliance record hash. Now I'll show what happens with an unverified wallet. The request reaches Cleanverse, and Cleanverse returns that the APAS does not exist. Notaris does not treat this as a successful actor. This is important because the system is not pretending compliance. If Cleanverse says a wallet is not eligible, the action should not proceed. The second flow is passport issuance. A user creates an asset passport by entering the verified holder, asset source, asset URI, and policy statement. Before issuing the passport, Notaris checks the connected issuer and holder through Cleanverse. The passport is then issued on Monad through the deployed Notaris Asset Passport contract. The passport stores a holder, source hash, metadata URI, policy hash, and compliance hash. This gives the asset a verifiable on-chain identity and audit trail. The third flow is policy-aware transfer. Before a passport can be transferred, Notaris verifies the recipient through Cleanverse. If the recipient is not eligible, the transfer is blocked. If the recipient is eligible, the passport can move and the action is recorded on-chain. This is the key difference. Notaris is not just an RWA app with compliance added. The passport itself is a product, and Cleanverse is the trust layer that makes the product possible.